Would you like some water? Would you like some wine? Would you like something to drink? Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to watch TV? Are you American? Are you coming this evening? Are you free tonight? Are you going to take a plane or train? Are you hungry? Are you sure? Are you working tomorrow? Business is good. Cheers! Did it snow yesterday? Did you get my email? Did you take your medicine? Do you feel better? Do you go to Florida often? Do you have another one? Do you know where there's a store that sells towels? Do you like it here? Do you like the book? Do you need anything? Do you play any sports? Do you sell medicine? Do you study English? Do you want to come with me? Excuse me. Give me a call. Has your brother been to California? Have they met her yet? Have you done this before? How long have you been here? How long have you been in America? How long have you lived here? How many children do you have? How many languages do you speak? How many people do you have in your family? How much would you like? How old are you? I bought a shirt yesterday. I don't feel well. I have pain in my arm. I have to wash my clothes. I have 2 sisters. I remember. I speak a little English. I'll tell him you called. I'm 32. I'm 6'2". I'm a size 8. I'm allergic to seafood.